It's been a year since the fight against COVID-19 started. With the still alarming rising of cases, all cities demonstrated different preventive measures in the hopes of saving lives against this deadly virus that already killed millions all over the world. The city of Mati is one with the nation in fighting against this unseen enemy. Through the City Ordinance Number 427, or the City of Mati Disiplina Panahon sa Pandemya Ordinance, measures were institutionalized to ensure the protection of the public against the virus. And this is strictly being implemented by the LGU. The Pandemya Ordinance requires all residents and visitors alike to wear their face masks and face shields at all times when going out of their houses, getting inside establishments, and riding public transportations. Physical distancing of 2 meters should also be followed, especially in public areas. Spitting, urinating, and defecating in public is strictly prohibited and should only be done at the proper places. Article 13 of the said ordinance implements no mask, no entry policy to all establishments. Establishments should only accommodate 50% of their capacity. Foot bath and hand sanitizing or hand washing areas should also be available in these places with an assigned person to check the visitor's temperature through thermal scanner. For those who would like to conduct an event, the organizers should request for a permit from the City Mayor's Office upon approval by the Mati City Incident Management Team. For hotels, resorts, and other tourism facilities, the no booking, no entry policy is strictly to be adhered to. Tourists should have a prior booking of the hotel or resort where they will be staying. For violators, the following penalties will be given to individuals not following the minimum health standards. First offense: community service for 2 hours and health counseling for an hour. Second offense: penalty of 2,000 pesos. Third offense: penalty of 5,000 pesos with imprisonment within 1 to 3 months. For establishments without the required facilities such as foot bath, thermal scanner, and hand sanitizing, the following penalties will be given. First offense: write and under oath letter of explanation with a penalty of 2,000 pesos. Second offense: penalty of 3,000 pesos. Third offense: business permit by the State Tourism Office upon approval by the local chief executive and a penalty of 5,000 pesos. For individuals who will be entering the city, including the locally stranded individuals or LSIs and the returning overseas Filipinos or ROFs, they need to submit the following. Number 1, health declaration form. Number 2, QR code from DAVAO Oriental. Number 3, you are subject to health screening at the Tagamot checkpoint. Returning OFWs and local travelers from Luzon and Visayas will also be asked to submit a negative result of their latest RT-PCR swab test at least 3 days before their trip. The City of Mati LGU has also established its own COVID-19 facility known as the MILAGROSA Alternate Care Site. They not only cater to confirmed COVID-19 cases, but also the probables, suspects, and contact cases that are symptomatic and identified as high-risk individuals. Records from the ACS show that for their 1 year of operation, the facility have submitted 620 patients. The number excludes LSIs and ROFs who are only there for triage. Of the 620 ACS patients, only 411 patients are confirmed COVID-19 cases, while 167 are suspects and 42 are probable cases. On the vaccination against COVID-19, the Mati IMT still has a long way to go, as only about 2,000 health frontliners have been vaccinated out of the identified 24,000 individuals in the A category that include health frontliners, barangay health workers, senior citizens, and other frontliners. As we forge on with our fight against COVID-19 in the city of Mati, we urge each and everyone to strictly follow the minimum health standards. Wear a face mask or face shield. Keep 2 meters away from others. Always sanitize your hands and only leave home if necessary. Be responsible, be proactive, be a hero. The life you save may not only be your own, but also your loved ones. Make it mati, maganahay nga di.
Adlaw Matinians, kini si Sirlene Priscillas Cabanit alang sa atong special election coverage dinhi sa ang mati karon. Ikalimang adlaw karon sa pag-file sa Certificate of Candidacy alang sa mga kandidato sa maabot nga bugnong lugaynon sa Mayo 2022. Karong orasa atong kumustahon ang atong team sa Emmanuel Pelaez Activity Center kauban si Mayo Pilar o G. Roble kung doon na bay nadugang sa listahan sa mga kandidato karong hapuna. Unsay latest na katikaran diha karon Mayo?
Salamat Sirlene. Maayong hapon Batinians, ania kita karon sa Emmanuel Pelaez Activity Center alang sa atong nagpadayong coverage sa ikalimang adlaw sa filing of COC. Sa pagkakaroon mingaw lang gihapon ang COC filing area sa COMELEC. Sa atong pinakaulhing datos nga gikan sa ilang buhatan, si Mayor Michelle Nakpil Rabat kauban ni Konsehal Eric Rabat lang gihapon ang natala nga nagikan sa partidong kusog DAVAO Oriental nga magpapili isip mayor o vice mayor sa dakbayan sa Mati, inubanan sa mga konsehales sa ilang partidong kusog DAVAO Oriental nga sila Edwin Barrera, Samuel Rodriguez, Kobe Capinya, Noli Balugo, Sander Paul Alcantara, Delphine Miones, Jimboy Danghirang ug Adam Lee. Si Tara Rabat Gaita ug si Arman Valera nga nagikan sa partidong PROMDI og aduna kitay duha ka independenteng candidates nga magpapili isip konsehal sa Mati nga mao sila JC Ronquillo og Mark Joseph Dindin. Og mao kana ang pinakaulahing updates gikan dinhi sa Emmanuel Pelaez Activity Center, kini si Mayo Pilar para sa ang Mati karon election special coverage. Balik kanimo Sirlene.
Daghang salamat Mayo Pilar o G. Roble. Karon atong kamustahon ang atong team sa Provincial Capitol kauban si Jasmine Tia ug Michael Espinosa. Unsay latest development diha karong hapon, Jasmine?
Salamat Sirlene. Maayong hapon Matinians. Karon ang ikalimang adlaw sa filing of Certificate of Candidacy. Pasado alas 9 ganina sa buntag mi-file si incumbent Governor Nelson Dayanghirang isip congressman sa unang distrito. Mi-file usab ang iyang anak nga si incumbent board member Nelson Dayanghirang Jr. nga napabilin gahapon isip board member sa unang distrito. Mi-file ilalom sa partido na hugpong ng pagbabago isip board members sina Cap Rochi Ravelo, incumbent Municipal Councilor Harold Montes ug Daud Linsag. Nagpakita og presensya ug suporta kaganinang buntag si incumbent Congresswoman Cora Malanyaon ug incumbent Vice Governor Nino Uy nga mi-file kaniadtong Oktubre 3 isip gobernador ug vice gobernador. Nagpakita sad og suporta si incumbent City Councilor Chino Almario ug incumbent Congressman Mayo Almario. Matud pa nila mo file sila sa pinakaulhing adlaw sa filing of COC nga mahitabo karong Oktubre 8, 2021. Kana ang pinakaulihing updates diri sa Provincial Capital. Kini si Jasmine Tia. Back to you, Sirlene.
Daghang salamat Jasmine Tia. Og mao kana ang pinakaulahing katikaran sa COMELEC offices sa dakbayan sa Mati ug sa probinsya sa Davao Oriental. Karong ikalimang adlaw sa pag-file sa Certificate of Candidacy sa mga magpapili sa May 2022 elections. At ang inapod kami ugma alang sa atong ikaunom nga adlaw nga special coverage sa filing sa COC. Daghang salamat Matinians og amping kamukanunay. Ako si Sirlene Priscillas Cabanit og hinumduman ta mayo Matinians aber una na pagsulay awon gayud paglaom kon kita magatinabangay.